everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export WhatsApp chat to Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to export or transfer WhatsApp chat to your Telegram using your iPhone, start off by tapping open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged in. From your chat screen of WhatsApp, select the conversation that you would like to transfer or export to Telegram. Once you open up your conversation, tap on the profile of the person. This will open up the chat info page. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down until you see Export Chat option. Give it a tap and select whether you'd like to export attaching your media or without the media by selecting one of the options. Now, from the pop-up displayed, tap on Telegram and you'll be taken to this Telegram application from where you'll have to select the relevant contact from the list. Now, soon after you do that, you'll get to select your contact, tap on the contact, and tap on Import in order to import your WhatsApp message to Telegram. Once you tap on Import, you'll be able to export your WhatsApp chat to Telegram chat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.